Production planning assumes ideal conditions, but in daily operations, things rarely go exactly as planned. Downtime and staff shortages require quick adjustments. In these moments, production managers need a clear overview and the flexibility to adapt production quickly and with confidence. This is what the Shopfloor Cockpit delivers. Faster, more informed decisions help improve delivery reliability. And by integrating maintenance and production planning, you increase overall efficiency. Let's have a look in the software. The order schedule provides a compact overview of all current production orders, including their planned delivery dates. Already completed operations are shown in green. With a single click, you can view detailed key figures of any completed operation, such as produced quantity, quality ratio, or downtimes. Sub-operations are just as easy to access, giving you insights into each step of the process. If an order is delayed like this one, it is marked clearly in red. Just simply right-click to display it directly in the production schedule for fast and easy rescheduling. The production schedule lists all work centers with their planned operations. Those related to the delayed order are clearly highlighted, showing their position within the timeline. To meet the delivery date, operations can be moved forward. If needed, capacity can be freed by rescheduling uncritical maintenance tasks. This seamless integration of production and maintenance planning boosts both efficiency and delivery reliability. Switching zoom levels provides details for each planned and completed operation, such as material, quantity, or setup time. The Shopfloor Cockpit turns complexity into clarity, giving production managers real-time transparency across all production activities.